Project Everest is an organisation that believes in the power of enterprise to solve social issues. So rather than give handouts, if we can create a business within a community that provides a good or service, and the inherent operation of that business provides that good or service, then it's more sustainable than a handout. And so Project Everest involves university students in developing projects and developing social ventures, and then those social ventures develop and evolve into something that generates a profit, and that profit will always go back into the communities. Uganda was a completely different experience to anything I've ever to anything I've ever seen. The poverty is just gut-wrenching.
Uganda completely blew all of my expectations out of the water. I'm not really sure what I was expecting. I think I was expecting like a savanna, like no greenery or anything, but the one thing that really struck me about Uganda was how green everything was.
So when we were coming in on the plane, it was incredible actually. Looking out the window, the landscape was entirely green, and we're actually coming in near Lake Victoria. So having the greenness and the water there was really special to me, coming from a country background.
So essentially, our role when we get onto the ground is just figuring out what the situation is. Is there a place for us? Are we going to be doing more damage than good, having 8 westernised foreigners walking into a community? And that's why our process is really important, of setting up relationships with the chairman or the local councils, setting up relationships with the local universities so that local university students can actually take us through the communities. Part of our process is also getting scientific facts and data on the situation, so actual water testing results. Do they have bacteria in their water? Do they have abnormal levels of nitrates or ammonia or heavy metals?
So on the program, we started off in Kampala, which is the capital city. So we went into the slum communities there. We assessed the water quality and accessibility there.
Working with the communities is the next step once we've identified a problem, and working with them to identify what solution works best for them financially and what solution works best for them culturally. We don't want to go in there and create a 12-month or an 18-month or a 5-year solution. When we went over to Uganda, it's a very bureaucratic place. You have to go through a lot of official pathways. And so because of that, we were involved with major government ministries, major government organisations, some of the most prestigious universities in Uganda.
And the reason why I decided to go on this program, it wasn't so much to get the professional experience that engineering students can get. It was more to develop skills that I couldn't get in my lecture halls. I learnt how to hold a business meeting. I learnt how to pitch a business idea to a board, to an individual. I learnt how to have better leadership skills. I learnt how to work in a team in quite a different circumstance, like in an intense circumstance.
The kind of student that should get involved in this project is someone that's looking for a meaningful act to undertake. This program is more than just volunteering, it's more than just positive sustainable impact, it's about personal and professional development.
The kind of students that we're just looking for are the ones that have the aptitude, that they want to make an impact, they want to make a difference, and that they're prepared to learn whatever it is they need to do to actually get the job done.